A little bit more to go. And there's Deanna. She can't make it.
What? Good enough now. Come on, go, Mike.
Fuck, I'm pissed.
Mike's pissed. Is he paying, is Anna paying him to get...
Is Anna paying you, Mike? Okay.
Dad's car. Rolando's. And there's Michael trying to get Anna's car out.
Does that have sound?
Yeah?
Cool.
Did she pay you to get it out?
I can't tell you, man. I can't. I keep running up. Why don't you start shuffling a little, man? We can geek it out. Come on. Deanna, they're lame. Now look what you're doing.
She's so lame. You gonna get what?
Next year I'm gonna have a Jeep with a plow.
Mike's hard work.
Where's that?
This is your name for something from?
The snow of 83, Mike.
Huh?
What do you have to say about the snow of 83?
I think it's pretty beat myself.
Why?
It's too much, man. It was enough for us. I wish it was only like 5 inches so we get out of school. This is too much. I don't like it. It's because I'm the one who ends up shoveling it all.
Aw.
The color of it, yes. I'm leaving out of here. Oh my God! Tell Walter to get out of here. Walter. Oh, Walter, please don't. No, not right now.
And here we have the Smurfs throwing snow around. Brenda says stop.
For you to do. Makeup. Snap. Makeup. The natural look. Makeup. Hey, stop. Cannonball run. Stop. What's that mean? What does that mean? Bless you.
Be careful, don't tip this over, because this is the dinner.
Okay.
Okay.
I gotta bring the leather ones.
Yeah, it says I get wet.
Camera happy. Let me film Martin. Yeah.
light's on.
The red light's on.
Red light's on. Brenda's filming us. Make sure it's focused.
It's
focused?
it's focused fine.
You see our faces?
I see your faces.
See Deanna's?
I see Deanna's.